Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Global economy. September 22, 1918 America New York, foreign investment focus on London hits, leveling up, agenda, MPs say. Committee report highlights need for government to help spread benefits of FDI around the UK.
New York Times Business. September 22, 1907 America New York, the U.S. is lifting its travel ban. Who is allowed to visit? The Biden administration will allow vaccinated international travelers to enter the United States, including those from previously banned countries. Details remain to be worked out, but here is what we know so far. Over the past year, many European visitors have spent 2 weeks in Mexico in order to get into the United States.
Forex Live. September 22, 1905 America New York, Australia Preliminary September PMIs. Manufacturing 57.3, prior 52.0, services 44.9, prior 42.9. Flash PMIs from market from Australia in September. The final readings will follow from next week. Composite 46.0 from prior 43.3. Australia's two largest population cities and states continue to be impacted by COVID-19 lockdowns during the month, the harshest.
BBC News Business. September 22, 1901 America New York, energy firms collapse hits 1.5 million customers. Several energy suppliers, such as Avro Energy and Green, have gone bust in recent weeks.
Forex Live. September 22, 1855 America New York, Bank of England Monetary Policy Meeting Thursday 23 September 2021 previews. The BO MPC statement is due at 1100 GMT. Earlier previews are here. The long story short on this meeting is no change in policy as expected. Here is what is the focus from. Forex Live. September 22, 1809 America New York, RBNZ confirms it'll proceed with its plan to tighten lending for housing. Reserve Bank of New Zealand statement released, including comments from Deputy Governor and General Manager for Financial Stability Jeff Baskand. More is here.
Daily FX Market News. September 22, 1800 America New York, USD, BRL may continue to gyrate as Brazilian central bank tightens by 100 basis points. The Central Bank of Brazil raised the Selic rate by 100 basis points on Wednesday, taking the country's benchmark interest rate to 6.25%.
Forex Live. September 22, 1758 America New York, US FDA to authorize a third Pfizer vaccine shot to those 65 and over at high risk. This decision had been on the cards. Approved now. Posting as an update. Forex Live. September 22, 1751 America New York, Brazil's central bank 1% rate hike, as expected. Banco Central do Brasil hikes its benchmark interest to 6.25% from 5.25%. Rate headlines via Reuters from the statement, bolding mine. Forex Live. September 22, 1737 America New York, Biden's new head of the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency is a crypto skeptic. U.S. President Biden has appointed Saul Omarova, a law professor, to head the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. The office oversees the conditions of the banks it supervises and their compliance with laws and regulations.
Global economy. September 22, 1733 America New York, First FT. Evergrande faces crucial debt deadline. What would China's biggest debt restructuring look like? More Fed officials see first interest rate rise in 2022. Biden offers an olive branch to Macron.
Forex Live. September 22, 1721 America New York, the next FOMC meeting is November 2 and 3. Now the question is how much taper? Too early to begin throwing around numbers on how much tapering the Federal Open Market Committee will announce. The meeting today, September's, in brief. That's from the wrap-up.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 22, 1705 America New York, Facebook's chief technology officer to step down. Mike Schroepfer, after 13 years at the company and serving as one of its top executives, is leaving the post to transition to a part-time role. New York Times Business. September 22, 1703 America New York, Facebook chief technology officer to step down in 2022. Mike Schroepfer, who leads the company's artificial intelligence and other technical efforts, said he planned to transition into a role as a senior fellow. Mike Schroepfer, a 13-year veteran at Facebook, will step down as chief technology officer to focus on activities outside the company, he said.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 22, 1644 America New York, Toast, Freshworks makes strong market debuts. The companies are among more than a dozen expected to raise more than $5 billion through IPOs this week.
Forex Live. September 22, 1642 America New York, Trade Ideas Thread. Thursday the 23rd of September 2021. Another Evergrande-driven day coming up? More likely than not, I reckon. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so. Forex Live. September 22, 1624 America New York, U.S. stocks close higher. Dow and S&P snap 4-day losing streak. Nasdaq up for the second consecutive day. The U.S. stock market made through the taper talk from the Fed Chair Powell. The indices also have the positive from less bearish implications from the China Evergrande situation.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 22, 1614 America New York. Regulators ask dozens of companies for more climate disclosures. The SEC has sent letters to dozens of public companies asking them to provide more information to investors about how climate change might affect their financial earnings or business operations. BBC News Business. September 22, 1614 America New York. U.S. economy continues to strengthen despite Delta, says Fed. The central bank may start paring back its emergency support for the economy soon, but didn't say when.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 22, 1613 America New York. Facebook says Apple's privacy changes hurt digital ad measurement. The social media giant seeks to assure advertisers and suggests its tools may undercount the effectiveness of campaigns. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 22, 1611 America New York. Employee lawsuit challenges United Airlines over vaccine exemptions. A group of 6 employees sued the airline over its COVID-19 vaccine mandate, alleging that the airline hasn't made reasonable accommodations for those seeking religious and medical exemptions.